Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. This week here in the UK, the Conservative Party, the political party that have basically formed the government for the last 12 long years of my life, have been busy choosing a new leader. A leader who will, by default, also become Prime Minister, because Boris Johnson, our current Prime Minister, is being forced to stand down after being implicated in one too many scandals. In this case, a scandal where he lied about what he knew regarding someone he'd promoted and their previous track record of being a bit of a sex pest. Anyway, I think one of the delightful things about watching Boris Johnson's downfall was this feeling of schadenfreude, this feeling of pleasure at watching someone else's suffering or problems. I think partly this was because it's so rare that someone in power, someone rich and powerful, who everybody knows has done something wrong, actually gets punished. It's very, very rare that any rich and powerful wrongdoers get their comeuppance. If somebody gets their comeuppance, they basically get the punishment or the fate that you feel they deserve because of their wrongdoing in the past. So often, if you're talking about someone who's bad to other people, you might say, one of these days he's going to get his comeuppance. You can't go around treating people with disdain like that, treating people in that way and expecting nothing bad to happen to you. If you've ever watched gangster movies, you'll know that if you go around shooting people, sooner or later you're going to get your comeuppance. Someone will come for you, and one morning you'll wake up dead. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people find out about what we do. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section, we'd love to see examples of how you might use get your comeuppance, get his comeuppance, get their comeuppance, get her comeuppance.